I'm Jeff. I'm with Transwest RV. You've probably seen me before. Around here I'm known as the RV detective because I go looking for what you're looking for. And I know you're looking for a luxury motorhome. I've been looking for a luxury motorhome too, and I'll tell you, I want something that's pretty much as big as the Titanic. But you've already had the Titanic probably. You're looking for something that's luxurious, as nice as you can get, but not that big. You're ready to downsize, or maybe you're just starting out. You want something that's not monstrous to try to learn on. I got the ticket for you. This coach here is made by Newmar. As you can see, just looking around, it's a luxurious coach. It has everything that you could hope for, pretty much everything you could get in a motor coach. But it's only 35 feet long. It's big enough for a couple people easily. There is extra sleeping capacity in here, so you could put a couple friends in with you and go off for a weekend. Not a problem. But it's not 45 feet long. It's 35 feet long, which makes a ton of difference in terms of driving, setting up for camp, moving around, getting into big old parks where, you know, they really weren't not built for big, long vehicles. So this coach is great for a lot of people. Let me just show you around a little bit. Now, like I said, this coach has pretty much every option that you can possibly get. Let's start up front with the cockpit. Come on, follow me. Now, this is a diesel motorhome, and as you can see by looking through the cockpit here, all the standard diesel amenities are right up here. You've got right here automatic leveling, you've got your Allison 6-speed transmission, brakes, all of the standard electronic controls up here for your monitor gauges. Here's your camera. Right now we're showing a side camera. This coach has 360 view, so you can get a camera on anything outside the coach that you want very, very easily. That's your radio. That's also your GPS display. Over here on the passenger side, there is a secondary monitor for the passenger. The passenger can control the radio, GPS, all the standard stuff over here as well. You have wireless chargers right here for the passenger, and you've got one on the other side for the driver as well for your cell phone. And you might notice in the interior here of the steering wheel, it says Spartan. This is not a Freightliner chassis, it is a Spartan chassis, which Spartan is a manufacturer that only makes chassis for motorhomes. That's a big distinction in the chassis world. It's also a little bit thicker gauge steel. Warranty's great. This is a Spartan chassis. You pay extra for that. And you've got a very nicely laid out area up here. You might look at the back of this seat compared to this one. This is basically a size and a half. The reason it's set up this way is when you turn this around, which both seats will turn around and join the living area, you have essentially the same thing as you'd have in your home as far as a luxury recliner. This coach will recline, and it does have a footrest. Nicely laid out dinette here. You can easily put a couple folks in here and have breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you're having. It's also got the wraparound cushion so that if you want to, you can just put your legs up and relax. You also have across the hall theater seating. This is furniture made by Villa Furniture. It is extremely comfortable, easy to take care of, resist stains. Very, very nice set of theater seats here. And then you've also got a big area in here for a little bit of extra storage. And you've also got USB and AC outlets in there. Moving back a little further, take a look at the kitchen. Not a gigantic kitchen because, like I said earlier, this is not a gigantic coach. However, it's big enough for what you're wanting to do. You have an induction cooktop, which is removable. You can take this out and take it anywhere you want to cook. Nice big counter area, full kitchen window across the entire counter space. Got a dishwasher and plenty of storage space here for things that you need in your kitchen. Over here, you have a very, very nice household refrigerator. It's not huge, but it is big enough for 2 people easily, if not 3 or 4. This is the Samsung. And then up here, you have a combination convection microwave by Samsung as well. So you can bake or you can microwave. You've also got a very nice pantry area with shelves that lock and will slide in and out. These shelves are adjustable vertically. You can put them wherever you need to. Places down there for cookie trays and things of that nature. Pretty good area actually for a kitchen. Now this coach has 1 bathroom, and it's a full bathroom. If you take a look at the shower, it's actually fairly large. You've got actual tile on the shower walls. You've got a seat that will fold down, and of course you've got a shower miser up there to help you conserve your hot water. You've got a toilet room in here with a sink. It's a pretty big area. And then finally in the back we come to the bedroom, which is quite spacious actually. You've got a full-size king bed. This is a premium air mattress. You've also got quite a few dresser shelves, a lot of storage for your clothing, nice big window area, more storage up here, a good sized TV for your bedroom, and more storage above the bed in the cabinets above. And then moving back here, you have a nice big closet area. I was showing you the dinette table a little earlier. There are actually a couple of leaves that will go in that table to make it a bigger table, and those chairs match the rest of the furniture up there so you can have a couple more spots when you decide to dine. And then of course, after your days out camping, you can clean your clothes. Washer and dryer right here, all set up, ready to use. So this is a New Aire. There's several different floor plans available. This is one we have on the lot right now. This is a beautiful coach, and as you can tell, it's really designed kind of with a lighter color scheme in mind. Your cabinets are light, your furniture, upholstery is light. This stuff actually does clean very well, resists scuffs, stains. It's a really good ultra leather furniture. Tile floor. There is heating under the floor, so if you decide when you get up in the morning you don't want your feet to be cold, you can simply kick on the heating in that area for the floor wherever you want, throughout the coach or simply in the bedroom, bathroom, or living area. Other than that, this coach is full of amenities, including lots of storage outside, which we'll show you, generator, of course lithium batteries come standard in this coach. For those of you that like to boondock a little bit, it's all set up for whatever you want to do. And it's not the size of the Titanic. So if you'd like to take a look at this coach in person or talk about it a little bit further, have any questions, feel free to call me at any time. My name's Jeff. I'm here at Transwest RV. I'd love to talk to you more about this coach or any of the other coaches that we sell here at our dealership. Thanks for watching.